Another problems on common tangents. Find all possible common tangents to the circles x square plus y square is equal to 9, x square plus y square minus 16x plus 2y plus 49 equal to 0. You have to find all the common tangents, whether they are 4, 3, 2 or 1. Let us see. So given circles x square plus y square is equal to 9 with the center C1 0, 0 and the radius R1 is equal to 3. X square plus y square minus 16x plus 2y plus 49 equal to 0 with the center C2 8, minus 1. Radius R2 is equal to root of 64 plus 1 minus 49. So it will be root 16, R2 is equal to 4. Now let us consider C1, C2, which is equal to root over 64 plus 1. So root 65. R1 plus R2 is 3 plus 4, which is equal to 7. So R1 plus R2 is equal to root 49. Now clearly you can see C1, C2 is greater than R1 plus R2. Now the two circles are one away from other, or one circle lies entirely outside the other. So one circle lies entirely outside the other. They look like this. Number of common tangents. In this case, the number of common tangents is 4. So number of common tangents is equal to 4. So 2 transverse common tangents and 2 direct common tangents. So we have to find total 4 common tangents to these circles. It is a circle with center C1 and is a circle with center C2. Now first let us find transverse common tangent. So point of intersection of transverse common tangents divides the line joining C1, C2 in the ratio R1 is to R2 internally. So let P be the point of intersection of transverse common tangents and P divides C1, C2 in the ratio R1 is to R2, that is 3 is to 4. 3 is to 4 internally. We are trying to find transverse common tangent. So the point divides the line joining C1, C2 in the ratio R1 is to R2 internally. So here C1 is 0, 0, C2 is 8, minus 1 and the ratio 3 is to 4. So P is 3 into 8 plus 4 into 0 by 3 plus 4, 3 into minus 1 plus 4 into 0 by 3 plus 4. So P 24 by 7, minus 3 by 7 is the internal center of similitude. Now you have to find the transverse common tangents which are passing through this point. So let m be the slope of tangent passing through P 24/7 comma minus 3/7. So it will be y plus 3/7 equal to m into x minus 24/7. So multiplying with 7, you will get 7y plus 3 is equal to 7mx minus 24. So 7mx minus 7y minus 24. So here it is 24m minus 24m minus 3 is equal to 0. Let it be equation 1. Now clearly you can see this line is a tangent to both the circles. It is a tangent to the circle with the center C1 and a tangent to the circle with the center C2. So is a tangent to circle with center C1 0, 0 and radius R1 is equal to 3. I am taking C1 and R1. So by the definition D is equal to R, where D is the perpendicular distance from the point center to the line. So here the point is the origin. So distance from origin is mod C by root of a square plus b square. So you will get mod minus 24m minus 3 by root of 49m square plus 49 is equal to 3 is equal to root over 49m square plus 49. Squaring on both sides you will get 16m square plus 16m plus 1 is equal to 49m square plus 49. So 64m square. So 64m square minus 49m square, it will be 15m square plus 16m minus 48 equal to 0. So 15 into 48, 5 into 3, 12 into 4. So it can be written as 15m square plus 36m plus 36m minus 20m minus 48 equal to 0. Now you can take 3m as common, 5m plus 12 minus 5 as common, 4 as common, you will get 5m plus 12 equal to 0. So 5m plus 12 into 3m minus 4 equal to 0. Therefore, m is equal to 4/3 and m is equal to minus 12/5. Now these are the slopes of the transverse common tangents. Now for m is equal to 4/3. For m is equal to 4/3, y plus 3/7 is equal to 4/3 into x minus 24/7. So 7y plus 3 is equal to 4/3 into 7x minus 24. So 21y plus 9 equal to 28x minus 96. 28x minus 21y minus 105 equal to 0. So this is 4x minus 3y minus 15 equal to 0 by taking 7 as common. And again for m is equal to minus 12/5. So y plus 3/5 is equal to minus 12/5 into x minus 24/7 into x minus 24/7. So 7y plus 3 is equal to minus 12 by 5 into 7x minus 24. So 35y plus 15 equal to minus 84x plus 288. So 84x plus 35y minus 371 is equal to 0. So it can be written as 12x by taking 7 as common plus 5y minus 7 to the 14. This one is 273. 7 3 are 21, 7 9 are 63. So this is the another transverse common tangent. So R required transverse common tangents. Now similarly you have to find direct common tangents also. So let Q be the point of intersection of direct common tangents. Then Q divides C1 C2 in the ratio R1 is to R2, that is 3 is to 4 external. Now let us consider point Q. So 3 into 8 minus 4 into 0 by 3 minus 4, 3 into minus 1 plus 4 into 0 by 3 minus 4. So Q can be minus 24 comma 3. Now let us consider the lines passing through the point minus 24 comma 3. So let M be the slope of the line passing through Q minus 24 comma 3. So it will be y minus 3 is equal to m into x plus 24. So mx minus y plus 24m plus 3 is equal to 0. Let it be equation 1. Now this equation is tangent to both the circles. So this implies that the perpendicular distance from center to the line is equal to radius. Since equation 1 is tangent to the circle. So let us consider perpendicular distance from center 0, 0 to the line, that is mod 24m plus 3 by root of m square plus 1 is equal to 3. Where 3 is the radius of this circle. So 8m plus 1 whole square is equal to m square plus 1. So 64m square plus 1 plus 16m is equal to m square plus 1. So 63m square plus 16m is equal to 0. And m is equal to 0, comma 63m plus 16 is equal to 0. So you will get m is equal to minus 16 by 3. Now here you have two values of m. First one is m is equal to 0, second one is m is equal to minus 16 by 10. So m is equal to 0 means it is a horizontal line. So equation of tangent when m is equal to 0 is y is equal to 3 or y minus 3 is equal to 0. Now for m is equal to minus 16 by 2. For m is equal to minus 16 by 63. Minus 16 by 63. That is y minus 3 is equal to minus 16 by 63 into x plus 24. So 64y minus 189 is equal to minus 16x plus 16 2s are 32, 16 4s are 64. So plus 384. So 16x plus 64y minus 384 plus 384 minus 189. 384 minus 189, 5, 9, 1 plus 195 equal to 0. So these are the direct common tangents. In this problem, they have asked to find all the possible common tangents. So there are 4 possible common tangents. One pair of direct common tangents and one pair of transverse common tangent. That is the required answer.